What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Duchess yard. If you saw yesterday's video, you know I froze my ass off picking up this snowblower. This is an SBX 240. This is a high flow snowblower. I ran upstate about 2.5 hours north of here to pick this thing up yesterday. I got home a little bit after 8 p.m. But it is time to get this thing unloaded and tested on one of our machines. Obviously, it is still in the bed of my truck. We haven't done anything with it yet. My father is pulling up with a machine right now. I have our chain hoist here. I'm gonna lift this thing right up, pull my truck out, and drop it on the ground. I just need to pull my straps off, lift the chain up a little bit, and then there is a hook right there, which this thing will balance pretty much perfectly on. And then we don't even really have to drop it to the ground. We can grab it in the air probably with the toolcat. Lock it first. Well, that was easy. That was easy. Oh, I don't think I mentioned this, obviously. We got our TerraStar back with the new inspection, so I picked this up over the weekend and I didn't film anything. Oh, plow's down. Come on. I wonder if he's going to be able to get the arms out. I might have to block it up. There we go. That's good. Right in the middle. Let's get some straps on this thing. Alright, so he just told me he's going to grab another plow. We're going to put it right on the end here. So I'm going to grab some straps while he runs and grabs that plow. Should fit on here, no problem. Look, we got some toilets from the guy that we bought this truck from. They never cleaned out the truck. I guess they didn't want them. Said everything on it was good to go. So if anybody is looking for a toilet, no, I'm just kidding. We're not going to mail you a toilet, but kind of funny. We got a toilet with it. Let me take this strap off. 1 second. That's it. Good enough. Let's get these strapped down. All right, we got both of these plows all strapped down. The straps are tied off. I got 4 straps on each of these plows. They should go absolutely nowhere. Everything is nice and tight. My father is gonna try and drive this truck down to our shop tomorrow. We can get these unloaded and get the liquid tank on here. We still have a couple repairs we have to make on the truck as far as like leaf springs, tranny lines, stuff like that. If you saw that video, you know what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, we cannot get this snowblower connected. These 90s on here are really for a skid steer. The skid steers have the quick couplers right here. So they're a little bit different on a toolcat. The toolcats are on the center of the arm here. So it's a bit tough to get them spun to the right angle. We tried loosening them and getting them there, but it just wouldn't happen. So my father's gonna stop at Bobcat and pick up a couple straight fittings rather than 90s. That way we can put the hose right into the toolcat there, and this thing should be good to go. This is a pretty nice snowblower, but hopefully one day soon we will have this thing up and running. Let's hop in my truck and take a ride down to the middle of the driveway there, down by all of our equipment. My father was down there messing around with some stuff while I was strapping these down, and what turned into an hour was supposed to be something quick. All right, so while I was strapping down those plows on the TerraStar, my father was grabbing these. I actually ran down and helped him. I didn't bring the camera with me though, so that's why none of this was recorded. But we have these 2 plows plus this small push box that we made for our John Deere. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys the John Deere. We cut down a push box and welded this together, took the end off obviously, and threw this plate on, which is for the John Deere. It's the same that these 2 plows have. We'll take a look at the John Deere before I end this video, but we also have these 2 push boxes. We got these, we've had them for a long time, but when we sold all the equipment at the mall, these were a couple extras that did not go with the sale, so we have them here. And my father has a buddy who just picked up a new contract for this winter season, and he needed some push boxes, and he also needed a sidewalk machine. So that's why all this stuff got pulled out. Tomorrow morning, he is meeting us here, and he is grabbing this. Actually, I think it's one of his guys, not him personally. But anyway, all this stuff is sold. Let's take a ride up to the garage, and I'll show you the John Deere real quick. All right, so here's the little John Deere that we have. This is a 1445 Series 2. It is 4-wheel drive, and it is a pretty neat little sidewalk machine. You have a snowblower here on the front, enclosed cab, and obviously you have the other pieces down there that are going with it, that custom push box and 2 plows as well. So this thing is gone. You guys may have seen it in past videos, but it really gets no use, so it's better to get rid of it and let somebody put some hours on that thing. It is a pretty neat machine, and obviously with all the attachments you can pretty much handle anything on a sidewalk. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.